deflection of cantilever beam at the eccentric point load. This is the using to find the slope on the deflection of cantilever beam with eccentric point load using double integration method. Using double integration method to find the slope and deflection of cantilever beam with the eccentric point load. So, load acting at the point C. Okay. So, a point A is fixed, B is free end. So, theta z is the slope at point C. This is the y max. Okay, total deflection at point B. This is yc. So, first take moment about point A. So, section xx, okay, section xx section, this is xx section. So, w into a minus x, okay, w into a minus x. So, deflection beam equation d square y by dx square equal to minus w into a minus x. So, to integrate this equation with respect to x, okay, ei dy by dx equal to minus w into ax minus x squared by 2 plus c1. Okay. So, first to apply the boundary condition at point A, x equal to 0, slope also 0, dy by dx equal to 0, dy by dx equal to 0. So, C1 equal to zero. Slope at C. So, C1 equal to 0. Okay. So, slope at C. So, C is distance is x equal to A. Point A is boundary x equal to A. So, theta C dy by dx equal to minus w divided by ei a square divided by 2. So, theta c equal to minus w a square divided by this also theta b. Okay. So, theta b equal to theta c, there is no load between the portion B to C. So, bending moment, that portion is there is no bending moment. So, B to C is at straight line, okay, it's a free end, this is a straight line, there is no load between B to C. So, after that the beam is never bend. So, theta slope of theta c equal to theta b. Deflection. So, again integrate this equation with respect to x, okay. So, ei, this is equation 1, equation 2, equation 3. So, integrating equation 3 with respect to x, okay. Integrating equation 3 with respect to x, ei dy by dx, sorry, ei into y equal to minus w a x square divided by 2 minus x cube divided by 6 plus c2. So, again apply boundary condition at point A, x equal to 0, slope also 0, okay. So, deflection also 0. So, 0, so here also 0, also 0. So, C2 equal to 0, okay. So, apply the C2 is 0 at point C, okay, x equal to A. So, y equal to minus w divided by ei, x equal to A. So, A into x square equal to a cube divided by 2 minus a cube divided by 6. Okay. So, at deflection at point C minus w a cube divided by 3a. Okay. This is the slope at point C only. Okay. So, we want to find the deflection at point B also. At B, so yc equal to PD. This is a yc distance, yc equal to BD. So, next tan theta c equal to opposite side dB dash divided by, so this is a dB dash divided by T C dash, okay. D, this point is C dash, C dash, D, C dash, okay. D B dash equal to D C dash into tan theta c, okay. Next, P dash D equal to BC into theta c. So, here DC equal to D C dash, this point D C dash equal to the P dash distance, okay, B C dash distance. So, then only replace the D C dash by B C into theta is tan theta is small. So, P dash D equal to, so B C is distance is L minus A. So, theta slope of the is already find, where already we find it values. So, theta c equal to minus w a square divided by 2 e I, okay. So, equal to minus w a square divided by 2 e I into L minus A. So, total deflection at point YB equal to B D plus D P dash, okay. So, total deflection is this one, okay. This is the total deflection. YB equal to PD is BD is this one, okay. minus W BD is YC WA cube divided by 3EI plus minus sin WA square 2EI into L minus A. So, final answer is this one, W A cube divided by 3EI plus W A square divided by 2EI. So, this is the answer of total deflection at point B. This is the downward direction. So, negative sign is removed here, negative sign is removed. So, arrow mark is indicated downward direction. So, then only minus is removed. Okay. So, arrow mark is indicated the downward direction. So, deflection is at the downward direction. This is the slope at point B and C. This is the deflection at point C equals minus W A cube divided by 3EI. So, W A cube divided by 3EI. So, deflection at downward direction. Okay, negative sign is removed. So, deflection at downward direction. This is the deflection at point B. So, W A cube divided by 3I plus W A square divided by 2I into L minus A. Okay, the term is L minus A also. So, thank you.